screwing this thing on. No, that's all right, Carl.
Oh my God.
Hey,
Nope.
just leave
Nope.
it.
Swear to God. Put this bitch on here.
Nope. Doesn't go that way. Doesn't go that way. No. There you go.
Okay.
Play music.
Okay, here we go.
Give me a little stand there. Give me some stand action.
You guys are so bad at problem solving. Oh my God.
This is perfect. No, it's going to be
Alright,
Stein, go. Start the.
What, am I talking everything?
Stein, start the
recording.
Oh my God, John.
You
said
knew
we were
that.
recording.
You guys stop. You're a child. You're insane.
I'm Spencer.
Okay.
And your name is?
Okay.
And you at Andy.
Not
And
I'm
we
Carl.
Carl. John.
This is
G.
Carl.
Okay.
John, Alex, and Spencer.
Starting now.
All right.
Gibson, edit that out.
Cut it.
Okay, cylindrical plastic container, single vent port along the surface.
Are you sure it's plastic? Because
Yes,
it
says plastic.
Does it say? Oh, it says plastic.
Plastic.
Okay. I thought it just said non-conducting.
Okay,
We're just going to pretend we don't see things now?
so handling of the company, it gets a charge just from being around whatever, from whatever
It probably just
handling.
gets rubbed, like gets
Sure.
rubbed on things.
And then induction on the surface.
Yeah.
So we got a capacitance, we got a charge difference now. We have electric potential.
Right.
Electric potential difference. Right?
So if
what
it
do you
gets,
want? What are you doing?
it's possible that
So you get a spark, it's saying you get a spark.
it's possible
That
to
could
ignite the flammable liquid,
ignite.
which would cause an explosion.
Right, but you need a certain amount of energy for that to happen.
Yeah.
So we have to find out if
it's
through handling, is it possible to get to that energy, to get enough energy for a spark to happen and the stuff to blow up?
Right.
Because if through just regular handling you get a spark, but it's not strong enough to blow the thing up, then it's fine.
Right.
But
So we can.
if these things are just blowing up when people are tossing them on the truck, that's not a good thing.
Yeah, shut up, Spencer.
I mean,
So that's our claim.
days.
That's our claim.
What's our claim?
Our claim is the amount of energy that is acquired on the surface through handling big enough to cause a spark that is strong enough to ignite the flammable liquid inside the container.
Fire flames.
That's it.
There you go.
and
Okay.
that concludes our
No, I think-
presentation on physics.
Okay, so I think that, like I said on the first video, unfortunately, did not pick up, that we should look up the amount of energy that it takes to ignite flammable liquids, certain types of flammable liquids, and we can also,
They don't specify what liquid
How about gasoline? Can we agree it's gasoline?
we could probably, well, we can't agree that it's gasoline. It could be any flammable conducting liquid. Is gasoline conductible?
Probably. I don't know.
Aren't all liquids
No, not necessarily.
conductors? Are almost all liquids conductors?
I mean, I'm sure a lot of them are.
What liquids aren't conductors?
Well, like the only,
I don't know off the top of my head. I'm sure there are some that are conductors.
water with nothing dissolved in it isn't a conductor.
True.
Water's only conducting when it has ions in it. So,
And boom goes dynamite.
boom roast it.
Okay, so
So
we have to make a model. We can get like an oats can and cut a vent in it
yeah,
and make ourselves a model.
What can?
Like an oats can, like an oatmeal can. You know, one of those big cans, cardboard.
That's not plastic, no, it's cardboard.
It's all right. It's a model.
I mean, it's not plastic though.
well, we can get
Might as well
we can
make
get
them
like a
all plastic
gasoline
so you
can.
use them
You
all.
want to
Okay,
put gasoline in a
so-
plastic can?
Yeah.
Little
And shake it up a lot.
Kind of.
So how
I
about
kind of do.
Why don't we just
Okay.
put gasoline in a squirt gun and put a lighter on the end of it?
well, we can also use like if we assume that this is
Why don't we use that bucket?
that the carrying container is like a gasoline, it's like a gasoline can, we can, just like get like those things which they rub the rods with, like in a normal physics, to show like charges, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
Like we can get like those like fur things
Steel
Yeah.
wool.
and stuff like that. We can rub it all over it, and then we can use the
And see if it
what's
blows
that thing called? The
Multimeter.
yeah, we can use the multimeter to
Very
see
cool.
how big of a charge it is.
I like that. I like that.
Should we diagram
Okay.
this?
Let's diagram this.
But
Okay, so
we need it to be plastic. We need it to be the same kind of plastic.
Yeah, I mean, they
So-
don't specify the kind of plastic.
So PVC, PVC.
we have a cylindrical, guys, you're in the way. We have a
Hey, sorry.
cylindrical, This is plastic, this is plastic.
PVC.
PVC.
I mean, then we have to, we might as well use like a
What else
pre-made
comes?
plastic thing. Like
Okay.
Inside here is
cover it, because we'd have to make that.
flammable,
Flammable.
flammable.
All right, quick. Being
Make sure you draw
clown.
the vent.
There's a vent in there too. I don't know
We
what
don't
they
know
mean
where
by
the
the vent.
Liquid. Alright, this is fantastic.
Is there like
Where's
a
the
vent?
vent?
I don't know. I think it's a vent in like
Probably the top, right?
maybe.
For fumes?
Cap.
Alright, so we can see it looks like a vent, a real slatted vent here. Call this a vent here.
Call that a closed top. Vent.
Vent. All right. So you got. So we'll rub the outside with steel wool
We're gonna get some steel wool.
and induce some charge.
Use some,
You know what I mean? Right. That's what it says.
Just do one of these, maybe get some of that action, some of that action. Multimeter. Perfect.
Multimeter. Test it. We'll see how high it is. We'll see what kind of charge we have. And do some research and see how strong of a spark you need to ignite gasoline. That would be pretty
Set
neat.
on gasoline.
I think we're pretty set on gasoline. What are the kind of flammable conducting liquids that you
With
know?
words on it. We're gonna type the
Jet
Axe
fuel.
body spray.
Jet fuel. We could use jet fuel. Alcohol maybe.
Yeah.
This is the research portion. This is computer that we type.
It's not 20.
It's good.
No, I bet.
Totally. That makes sense.
Okay, let's take that.
Like in a spark plug. It's hooked up to a 12-volt battery, but it goes through a coil first. So I don't